The LyfeFocus Back Stretcher helps reduce back, neck and shoulder pain by gently correcting the position of the spine to help restore the back's natural curvature. It's ideal for people who spend prolonged time sitting down or working at desks, as it can improve or prevent the damage caused from poor posture. The stretcher is designed with 10 magnetic therapy pressure points and 86 softened acupressure points that are positioned evenly either side of the center spine bar, which is made from a high-quality silicone and incorporates an additional 41 acupressure points. Now, these pressure points relieve the aches and pains caused from long-term tightness and muscle tension. The stretcher can also be positioned at 3 different levels, allowing you to adjust the height to your desired stretch and comfort to improve your spine flexibility. Visit the LyfeFocus store to discover a more holistic approach to your health and well-being, and solutions for managing aches and pains when working from home or the office.